Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install YouTube app in Windows 11 on laptop or PC. Easy tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open your Edge browser. Right after, search here youtube.com. So I'm on the official YouTube website. Then right after, click onto the three dots here onto the upper left corner of the screen, and then you should be able to find an apps. So there is an option to install YouTube. Simply click onto that, and this should go ahead and open a prompt in here. So just go ahead and install and wait for this one. So this will open in a focus window, has quick access options like pin to taskbar and many more. So this will serve as an app for you. So wait for that one to automatically open onto your device just like this. And as you can see, we have here the app. So the app is installed and this is allowed to pin the taskbar to start. You could also create a desktop shortcut for this and auto start on device login. So we're not going to check that. Just click on allow and feel free to use already YouTube app in your Windows 11. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.